Top 10 Indian stocks set to surge on the India-US trade deal. Welspun Living, US revenue, 65-70%. Welspun is the undisputed leader in home textiles, with nearly two-thirds of its business tied to US retail giants. The 32% tariff relief acts as a direct booster to their EBITDA margins, making them the most sensitive stock to this trade deal. Gokaldas exports, US revenue, 60% as a primary garment supplier to American brands. Gokaldas earns more than half its income in dollars. Analysts expect the lower duty to trigger a massive shift in sourcing volumes away from high-tariff nations toward their Indian facilities. Avanti Feeds, US revenue, 45-50%. The US is the largest destination for Indian frozen shrimp, and Avanti Feeds has a dominant market share in this corridor. The removal of punitive barriers will significantly lower the landing cost of their products, reviving demand in the premium seafood segment. Sona BLW, US revenue, 40-45%. Sona Comstar has a high exposure to the North American air and passenger vehicle markets. With the new 18% tariff, their driveline components become the most cost-effective high-tech solution for US automakers looking to the risk from China. Bharat Forge, US revenue, 40%. A major portion of Bharat Forge's industrial and automotive forging revenue comes from the US oil or gas and trucking sectors. The deal provides a dual benefit: lower export duties and increased demand for their components in US energy projects. Pi Industries, US revenue, 35-40%. Through its custom synthesis, CSM, exports. Pi Industries is deeply integrated with US agrochemical innovators. The lower tariff structure ensures their long-term contracts remain highly profitable while attracting new American R&D partners. Aarti Industries, US revenue, 25-30%. Aarti's specialty chemicals are essential ingredients for the US pharmaceutical and polymer industries. While their exposure is lower than textiles, the margin expansion on their US-bound volumes is expected to be substantial under the 18% regime. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, US revenue, 45-50%. While pharma often has separate regulatory hurdles, the broader trade escalation simplifies the logistics and duty structure for generic exports. As one of the largest Indian players in the US, any reduction in trade friction directly aids their bottom line. Jindal Stainless, US revenue, 15-20%. Although its total US exposure is smaller compared to textiles, the US is a high-margin market for stainless steel. The 32% reduction in the duty burden allows Jindal to bid for large-scale US infrastructure projects that were previously blocked by high tariffs. LTI Mindtree or Tech Mahindra, US revenue, 60-70%. While these are service companies, the deal's clauses on labor mobility and data center tax holidays are critical. Improved trade relations typically lead to a thaw in its spending budgets among US Fortune 500 clients, benefiting high exposure firms. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.